Alam mo ba na pwede ka na magkaroon ng sarili mong bahay?
Kahit walang down payment at equity. Oo, posible yan sa Pagsibol Village.
Kaya mas madali na ang pagkuha ng dream home mo. Ito ay isang 2-story duplex unit na may 54 square meter lot area at merong 45.5 na floor area. May provision for 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, kitchen, living area, service area, at 1 car park na perfect para sa starting family at bagong mag-asawa.
Halagang 11,500 per month, rent to own sa loob ng 30 years sa Pag-ibig Housing Loan. Walang down payment, walang equity. 5,000 lang for processing fee. Kasama pa ang free electricity at water connection.
Kaya kung matagal mo ng pangarap na magkaroon ng sariling bahay,
Ito na ang sign mo.
Message us now
and let's start building your dream home today.
this is Mai.
And this is Tina.
For inquiries,
Message us now at Simple House Facebook page.